My name is Lou. I created an IPv4 ARP network to demonstrate the standard ACL, which is the access control list. So let's get started here. What we need to do is check and see if you can ping from PCA to PCB. So PC just opened up PCA. We're going to go ahead and ping PCB, which is the 192.168.5.30. So we can successfully ping PCB. We do get the reply from PCB. Now, the IP address to PCA is the 192.168.1.20. What we're going to do is go to PCB, open the command line, and we're going to go ahead and ping from PCB 192.168.1.20. So we do have the reply from PCB to PCA. PCA is replying, and we do have the reply. Now what we have to do is go ahead and go into router 1, because standard access control list is the closest to that router to the destination. So we have to get the interface, which would be the gigabit 0/1. So what we want to do is open up router 1. We have to hit enable. Let's try that again. This gets us into the exec mode. We need to go into configuration T mode. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and deny PCB from getting access through the router into the network 192.168.1 network to talk to PCA. So in order to do that, what we have to do is we have to set the commands for the ACL, the standard ACL, to deny or permit the source IP address. So what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and set the access list. Access list 1, deny 192.168.5.30, and then the wildcard would be 0.0.0.0. Hit enter. Now we have to do the access list 1 permit any to allow or to permit everything else to come in. So access list 1 permit any. Now what we have to do is go into the interface itself, which is the gigabit 0/1 interface. So to do that, we use the interface gigabit 0/1, and then we use the IP access /group 1 out to apply the deny for PCB to enter through router 1. Now that we've applied the access list, the standard access list that is, to router 1 on interface gigabit 0/1, we should go ahead and get out of global configuration mode, and we need to check to make sure that the configurations have taken. So to do that, we use show run command. So we do see that the access list 1 deny host 192.168.5.30 permit access list 1 permit any. That's exactly what we needed. Then we go up to interface gigabit 0/1. We wanted to look for IP access / group 1 out. So the configurations look like they have taken and are applied. So the next step would be to go ahead and ping PCB to PCA. So let's go ahead and do that. So ping 192.168.1.20. It says destination host unreachable. And that is what we wanted. Let's get out of PCB and go into PCA. Open up command line. See if we can ping 192.168.5.30, which is the PCB's IP address. And it looks like that has taken as well. We want to go ahead and get out of both. Now, if you wanted to remove the standard access list, what we would have to do is go back into the router itself. You want to go into configuration T. Then you want to go into interface gigabit 0/1, which is where the standard ACL has been applied. Hit enter. And then you want to run the no IP access / group access / list, and then the word out, since it is leaving the network. And then we want to run, we want to exit, I should say, the interface mode here, and then we want to go back to global configuration mode. We want to apply the no access list 1 to remove the list. Now what we want to do is go to show, well, first of all, we have to get back to the exec mode. Go show run to make sure that everything has been removed. The no access list has been removed from the interface here as well. And it has been removed from the interface gigabit 0/1. So it has been removed completely. Let's go back to PCB and let's ping. Oops. 192.168.1.20 and see if that works. We do get the reply, and that means that the ACL has been applied and removed. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.